Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So in the last class, we had a detailed discussion about the author of the story, Hanuman and I. Who is the author of our story?
Ruba Gupta.
Ruba Gupta.
Ruba Gupta. Very good. Do you remember anything about Ruba Gupta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Smriti, can you give me a quick note about Ruba Gupta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she is the editor of a she's the senior editor of a leading educational publishing company, and she has written about 30 children's books.
Yes, very good. Okay, Aldous, do you remember any of the stories written by her?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, the story of Hanuman, tales from Indian classics, South Indian folk tales, tales from Indian mythology, Naya Kiladi.
Okay, very good, Aldous. Thank you. Atul? Can you hear me, Atul? Yes. Who is the main character in our story? Okay. Yes, Atul. Who is the main character in our story? Do we have a name for a character?
No, ma'am.
No name. So how do we refer to the character? How do we refer to the main character?
Ma'am, the little girl.
Little girl. Yes.
Ma'am, a little girl.
Yeah. The main character in our story is little girl. Next question is to Ashish. What is the setting of the story, my boy? Ashish? Setting of our story. Something is happening here in the story. And we are introduced to a particular point. Ashish, unmute and speak.
Man giving a role in the
Okay, I agreed, but I want you to make it more specific. Setting of the story. Where are we taken to when we read the introductory paragraph of the story?
Ma'am, to a stage.
Yes, exactly. To a stage. We are taken to a stage. Abhiday, what is happening on the stage? Abhiday?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Abhiday, I think Abhiday has got a connectivity problem. Vrisa will give me the answer. Vrisa, tell me, what is happening on the stage?
They're deciding the roles of the annual function. So the child got a role in the Vanar Sena.
My dear, I just asked you a simple question. Okay, we readers are taken to the stage. And what is happening on the stage? Or what is the peculiarity or what is the specialty of that particular day? Why are we taken to the stage?
Ma'am, because it's
Ananya, Vitesh, Ananya.
Ma'am, audition.
Audition is happening?
No, ma'am, the role.
drama.
They are playing a role.
Ma'am, a drama is. Annual day.
Yes, it is a time for school annual day. Okay, so the day was something special for the school because the school annual day program is going to take place. Okay, and we are all taken to the stage where the school has decided to enact the drama titled. What's the title of our drama?
Hanuman and I.
Title of our drama.
Ma'am, the story of Rama.
Ma'am, the story of Rama.
All right, just give me a minute. Now I came to know that you are all so confident that none of you have read the text. Yeah? You all listened in the class last week and you completely forgot it. You did not make an effort to read the text. Am I right? Huh? Am I right? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
My kids are overconfident and you forgot to read the text. Very good, very good. So this is exactly what's going to happen here in the story. All right. Now you will see how overconfidence puts us into trouble. Okay, you're going to see it in the story. So children, listen to me carefully. And I want you to make a note of it. If you have a rough book or a separate notebook called literature, Make a note of it quickly. Okay. So we are just recapitulating the important points. The setting of the story is school annual day. The setting of the story is school annual day. And
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking for me, Steve.
What can I do for you, Steve?
I can write in the board. I have some network issue. I think so. The Wi-Fi is very low.
Oh, my dear, I'm just discussing the previous class portion. Okay, I do not mind writing it for you, but if I keep on writing, we will be running out of time. Okay, Steve? All right. So try to listen, and I hope your network connection will be stable soon.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So setting of the story is school annual day, and the main character in our story is the little girl. The narrator or the main character in our story is little girl. Little girl's great desire was to enact in the drama. Her great desire was to do a role in the drama. And she wanted to do the role of Rama. Okay, so the name or the title of the drama that school is going to perform on the day is The Story of Rama. The title or the name of the drama that the school has decided to perform is The Story of Rama. The little girl wanted to do the role of Rama. She doesn't mind doing the role of Lakshmana or Hanuman. She doesn't mind doing the role of Lakshmana or Hanuman. But she was given none of these roles, but instead she got the roles of one of the monkeys in the Vanasena. Are you following? Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very good. So she was given one of the roles, one of the monkeys in the Vanasena. She was a bit disappointed because she did not get a leading role to perform in the drama, but still she was excited and very happy so that she can give a good performance on the stage. So she had only very few dialogues to speak and she was well prepared with it. But on the day of performance, something interesting happened and that's what we are going to see. So moving on to page number 3. Is there anyone who has not muted yet? Is there anyone who has not muted yet? Okay, thank you. So children, look into your textbook. I'm going to read it for you. We were dressing up. So now it's the time of school annual day and the little girl is dressing up with her costume. We were dressing up when the school watchman handed a note to the teacher. She read it aloud. Dear madam, I'm very sorry to inform you that Alka has contracted measles and has been running a very high temperature since morning. Sorry, she will not be able to act in the play. So on the day of performance, something, twisted happens. And what was that? What was that?
Ma'am, the April
Watchman handed a note to the teacher. The teacher who was in charge of the drama received a note from the watchman. What was written there in the note? Anna, what was written there in the note?
Dear madam, I am very sorry to inform you that Akalya was...
Alka, not Akulya. Still in the last year? Akulya and Malasya comes in the other chapter. The little girl's voice. Come on.
Alka
Here we have Alka.
Contracted measles and has been running a high temperature since morning. Sorry, she will not be able to act in the play.
All right. Thank you, Anna. So who is Alka? Amita, did you get any idea from that paragraph who is Alka?
Ma'am.
Alka was the girl?
Main characters.
Okay, one of the main characters, one of the leading characters. Alka was supposed to do the role of Hanuman. Make a note of it. Make a quick note of it. Alka was supposed to do the role of Hanuman. Okay. Alka was supposed to do the role of Hanuman. And what happened to Alka? Alka was contracted with measles. Contracted. Contracted means affected with. Affected with. Contracted means affected with. She was affected with measles. Children, have you heard this term before? What is measles?
No,
What
ma'am.
is measles? No idea. Hmm? No idea for you. Measles?
No idea.
Okay, okay. No problem. Just take a note of it. Measles. Measles is a disease. Measles is a disease featured with high temperature, or you can write high fever. Okay, measles is a disease fevered with high temperature or high fever and body pain. Once you're affected with this disease, sometimes you may get red rashes also on your body. Okay, so it's a bit severe disease that is comes in connection with high fever, high body pain, and also red rashes. So this little girl was affected with measles, and from the morning onwards, she was shivering so badly. So she will not be able to act in the play. Alka was to play Hanuman. The teacher looked around in dismay and her eyes fell on me. Look here, she said doubtfully. You wanted to be Hanuman? You think you can manage? So just think about the situation of teacher. What will be the condition of teacher? Teacher is in charge of...
Very sad. Tension.
Very tension.
Yes, she will be sad, at the same time she will be tensed also. Okay, the teacher who is in charge of the drama, it is her responsibility to make the children play well on the stage. Okay, so on that day of annual day, the watchman or the security hands over a paper to teacher telling that Alka, one of the leading characters in the drama, will not be able to come to act on the stage because of a particular disease. So the teacher looked around in dismay and her eyes fell on me. Why did teacher look around in dismay? Dismay means...
To see who
Disappointed and worried.
Yes, dismay means disappointed and worried. Teacher became so disappointed and worried at the same time because she did not know how to manage. She did not know how to manage. She was quite confused and worried and disappointed because it was the last moment she is getting an information that one of the students will not be able to come to act. She looked around and finally she found the face of the little girl. You wanted to be Hanuman. You think you can manage. So my question to you is the teacher confident of giving a role of Hanuman to the little girl? Is she confident? Is the teacher confident of giving a role?
No, she's not confident. Ma'am.
No, you say that she is not confident. Why do you say so?
Ma'am, because she is so doubtful whether the girl can manage all the dialogues and things.
Yes, exactly. The teacher was quite doubtful whether the little girl will be able to manage with the dialogues and with the actions. My dream was suddenly coming true. I was quite overwhelmed. Of course I can, she said confidently. Even if I forget my lines, I can always think up something else. So now what has happened? Little girl actually dreamt of doing the role of
Hanuman.
The little girl actually dreamt of doing the role of Rama. He dreamt of Sri Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening there? Are you listening?
Yes.
So what was I saying now? What was the great desire of the little girl?
She was but because Alka was not able to come, she was ma'am gave her the role of Hanuman.
My question is, what was little girl's desire?
if she didn't get the line, so she can tell other something.
No, my dear. No, no, no. Balashankar, what was the little girl's desire?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, I'm listening. Tell me.
Ma'am, what?
What was the little girl's desire? Ismail?
Ma'am, she decided
I
to
will
play
ask
the role
you,
of Ram.
I'll ask you questions in between. Okay? You have to travel along with me. In between, I'll call your names and I'll ask you questions. So look into the text carefully when I explain and be with me. Only then we can move ahead with the story. The great desire of the girl was to play the role of Rama. Okay. She wanted to get the role of Rama. Did she get that?
No,
No, ma'am. She got
If she doesn't get the role of Rama, what she wanted to become?
Hanuman.
Or Lakshmana. Okay. If she doesn't get the role of Rama, she wanted to do the role of Hanuman or Lakshmana. Did she get the role of Hanuman or Lakshmana?
Hanuman.
No. No. Which role was given to her? Which role was given to her? One of the monkeys. One of the monkeys.
Ma'am, in the Warner Sena.
Yes. So presently, listen. Presently, the role that she has taken up is one of the monkeys in the Warner Sena. Okay. And on the day of performance, the teacher comes to know that the girl, Alka, who is supposed to do the role of Hanuman, will not be able to come because she was affected with measles. So at that moment, teacher thought of giving the role of Hanuman to the little girl. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. We understood.
Yes, good. So what is the role that the little girl is going to play now?
Ma'am, Hanuman. Hanuman.
Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we do.
Okay. So you have to listen to the question carefully. Initially, the little girl was given the role of one of the monkeys in the Vanar Sena, but later on, she was given the role of Hanuman because Alka was unable to perform. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Okay. Now we are moving to the third paragraph, page number 3. My dream was suddenly coming true. I was quite overwhelmed. Come on, pronounce that word.
Overwhelmed.
Okay.
Overwhelmed.
R is silent. Okay. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Repeat the word after me.
Overwhelmed.
Okay. It's not whelmed.
Overwhelmed.
Not whelmed. It's whelmed. Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed.
Good. Overwhelmed. So the little girl was overwhelmed. What do you mean by overwhelmed?
I'm very
So
happy.
surprised that she could not know how to react.
All right. The meaning is given there. The meaning is given there at the foot of your text. Overwhelmed generally means to become highly emotional. Overwhelmed generally means to become highly emotional. It can be, great sadness, or it can be great surprise, or it can be great disappointment, anything. Generally, it means becoming highly emotional. But here it means so surprised. The little girl became so surprised when she came to know that she was given the role of Hanuman. Okay. Of course I can, I said confidently. Even if I forget my lines, I can always think up something else. Now look at this line. Look at this line and tell me the nature of the little girl. Even if I forget my lines, I can think up something else.
Ma'am, she is so confident.
Yes.
I'm very confident.
She's so
confident about her role.
You feel that she's confident? That's all? Is there any problem? Is there any problem with her dialogue there? She's responding to her teacher. Of course I can. Even if I forget my lines, I can always think up something else. Yes, I think Vrisa said it. It's not simply confident, it is overconfidence. Come on, look at that line once again. Even if I forget my lines, I can always think of something else. Is it possible, children? What do you think?
No.
No, ma'am, it's not. Can't.
Not at all possible, because she's going to take part in a drama. Okay, if she was performing an individual activity or an individual program, then if, for example, if it is a storytelling, of course she can think and explain in her own words.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
is it possible to make your own
No,
dialogue?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, because we are acting with others.
Yes, exactly. You are acting with others.
Ma'am, because our lines should go along with others' lines.
Exactly. Your lines should go along with other lines. So when you think about drama, what all things comes to your mind, children? Come on, one by one. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and I'll come to you. Come on. Drama. That's the word that I'm giving you right now. Drama. So what are the things that come to your mind? Harriet?
Ma'am, can
Harriet?
Yes, ma'am.
If anything comes to your mind, you say yes and you tell me. If no, just say no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harriet?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes,
Okay. Steve?
Ma'am.
Yes, I'm listening.
Drama means you can give can stop dialogues.
Okay, dialogues. Very good. Smriti?
Ma'am, a variety of roles.
Variety of roles. Very good. Ayan? Quick, unmute and respond. Children, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am, we are.
yes, ma'am.
Then
Can
give
I
me the
say,
answer. Yes, Seba?
ma'am, practicing?
Okay, practicing dialogues and variety of
Ma'am,
roles.
teamwork.
Ameya,
Teamwork.
Ameya.
Ma'am, we get to practice it with our.
Please say it properly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ameya. Listening to you.
we get to practice it with our friends.
Okay, practicing. All right. Riza?
Different costume.
Oh, different costumes. Nia?
Ma'am, the speech.
Yes, dialogues. Okay. Fidel? Anything comes to your mind?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, all right. Aldous?
Ma'am, teamwork.
Teamwork. All right. So when we think about the word drama, many things comes to our mind. That is characters, actors, dialogues, script, then stage, curtain, light, mic set, teamwork, practicing, so many things. So it's not possible to give our own dialogues. It's not possible to make our own dialogues because a drama will have a proper script and each character will have their own dialogues. And everyone will not get a chance to come onto the stage at the same time. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Each person has different roles, and on a particular scene only they will be asked to come. Okay. So the little girl, what she said was not at all right because it was just an example to show that she was overconfident. Okay, so not that point. The little girl became overconfident when she got the role of Hanuman. Oh no, she said, you shall certainly not do any such thing. I shall be prompting from the wings. All you have to do is repeat what I say, and for God's sake, don't mumble. Speak as loudly as you can.
Can you say the meaning of mumble?
Yes, why not? I'm going to explain those word meanings in detail to you. So the teacher became a bit shocked. She said, no. You cannot speak as you wish. Okay? You certainly not do any such thing. I shall be prompting from the wings. What do you mean by prompting, Geetika? Geetika, why do you remain quiet today? What do you mean by prompting? What do you mean by prompting, Geetika? Children, are you familiar with this word? Are you familiar with this?
To show.
Tell me.
Show her what she should say.
Prompting. Note down the meaning.
Ma'am.
Yes, Smriti.
Ma'am, prompting means to encourage or tell them to do something.
All right, a kind of. Okay, almost correct. But when it comes to this chapter specifically, especially when somebody acts, the meaning is different. Okay, Smriti, what you said is correct. Okay, generally you can say that encouraging someone or asking somebody to do something in a positive manner. But here prompting, it has a specific meaning, that is repeating a forgotten line. Repeating a forgotten line or dialogue for an actor or character, on the stage. That means, for example, if Fidel is acting on the stage and if he has forgotten his dialogue, then Steve is going to help him. Huh? Okay? If Fidel is acting on the stage and if he has forgotten the dialogue, Steve is going to help him. That is, Steve will read out the dialogues or lines forgotten by Fidel. That process is known as prompting. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood? Yes. If you have seen the movie shooting, it's the same. The actors will be on the scene and the camera, light, everything will be set. And there will be another person standing next to these actors with a paper. And on that paper, there will be script. They will be reading out the dialogues for these actors. And the actors will listen to it and they will repeat. So this process is known as prompting. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So the teacher told the little girl that, of course, you cannot speak as you wish, but I will be prompting from the wings. What do you mean by wings here? Does it mean the wings of a bird?
No, ma'am, the team.
Ma'am, the
performance and
stage.
Yes, Anthony. Anthony, yes, tell me.
Under the stage.
All right, all right. The meaning is given there at the foot of your text. So here wings means the stage will have an entry point and an exit point. Okay, an entry point and exit point. So two sides. The sides of the stage is known as wings. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yeah, both the sides of the stage is known as wings. So the teacher told the little girl that she will be standing on the side of the stage and she will prompt the dialogues for her.
Ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I continue a little more? Just
yes,
one more line.
Yes.
All you have to do is repeat what I say, and for God's sake, don't mumble. Speak as loudly as you can. Now another unfamiliar word for you, that is mumble. What do you mean by mumbling?
Mumble means to speak in a very low voice.
Yes.
As if you are confused what to say.
Yes. To speak in a low voice that makes others difficult to hear. That makes others difficult to hear. Often in an unclear way. So when you mumble, that dialogue will be unclear and it will be spoken in a low voice. For example, like this. All you have to do is repeat what I say and for God's sake.
Can you show the board once more?
Did you hear me anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so mumbling. Yes, mumbling means speaking something in a very low voice, but it is unclear. It makes difficult for others to hear. Okay, all right. So have a look at the board and note it down. That's enough for today. I hope the session is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, children. Any doubts? Do you have any doubts regarding any of the words or terms?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. So, children, for next class, read from the beginning up to where we have done at least 3 times. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. We will.
And remember, do not be overconfident. Okay? Be confident and come to my class, but do not be overconfident just like the little girl, because you may make mistakes. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll be forwarding few questions to you. Okay? Read the text and write it down in your notebook.
Ma'am, the activity will be checked in the next class, right?
Yes, yes. Sure, sure. I'll check the activity. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So those who are not done, please keep it ready. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.